Today we'll be telling either gold ETF FOF is better, or you should invest in gold or into physical gold. A very big question, right? So first of all, let's go to this slide. In this fund name of Federalist is Gold and Silver ETF FOF fund, Motilal Oswal Gold and Silver, UTI Gold ETF FOF, Quantum Gold Savings Fund, and SBI Gold Fund. There is a comparison chart. You can take a screenshot. 1 year return approximately is highest for Advelisis Gold and Silver ETF, while 3 year return is also highest. But expense ratio is also highest in this category. So you have to choose accordingly. Going next, if you consider the key consideration, ETF versus FOF. What is the main thing required for ETF and what is that FOF thing? Let me explain. If you have a demat account, so gold ETF you can buy on a daily to trade basis. Gold FOF mein demat is not required, it is a normal mutual fund. But there is a glitch. What is the glitch? Investment method can be same for gold and gold ETF and gold FOF, that is SIP, lump sum, or during the market hours. And in fact, gold FOF can be taken after the market hours also, but NAV will be calculated on the market hour only. Expense ratio is the main glitch, that is generally higher in gold FOF because it includes the underlying ETF fees, 0.1 to 0.6%. Liquidity is very high for gold ETF. On real-time basis, you can get it. But in gold FOF, it's valued at the day's end NAV. So you cannot exactly consider what amount you'll be getting in the gold FOF. Coming back next, if you see, there is a top-rated gold ETF FOF. What are that? Gold ETF FOF, that is UTI 1. UTI is frequently rated 5-star. It has shown strong performance also. 1 year return 74.6%, expense ratio 0.16%. Similarly, SBI ka hai, its AUM is greater than 10,000 crore. Its expense ratio is very low, 0.10%, and delivered a 3 year return of approximately 33.24%, that is decent return. Quantum Gold Savings Fund, it has no exit load and a competitive expense ratio 0.04, very less, and 3 years return of 33.2%. So through this way you can check it, like expense ratio should be less, return should be more or equal, then you can select it. ICICI Prudential Regulus Gold Savings Fund, that is a consistent performer. AUM is 4480 CR and 1 year return of 73.7%. Now just consider high performance gold and silver alternative, because some investors are opting for hybrid. They are not taking like only silver ETF or FOF gold ETF. They are also considering Advelisis Gold and Silver ETF FOF delivered exceptionally 1 year return of 115.1% due to silver allocation, while Motilal Oswal Gold and Silver ETF 98.8%. So if you are considering